Guys, in this video we are looking at a merge sort and we are going to code it in Python.
Now we are going to open the Python idle and go to file menu and create a new file. First we create a definition for the merge sort, which is basically takes into the two elements. First is the left part and second is the right part. First we define the final result array. So this will be an empty array, will be fill element into it data. Then we create two indices, that is I and j, and we initialize them as a 0. Then what we do, we say that while I is less than the length of a left array and j is less than length of a right array. So till the condition is true, we keep appending element into the resultant array. So if the left part of the I element is less than or equal to right part of the jth element, so we keep the appending the value into the resultant array. Now we say result, so basically we append the I element of a left into the resultant array. So this condition is false, then we execute the else part. So here we see the right part of the jth element increment into the resultant array. So here we write result dot append into bracket right side of the jth element, and we keep increasing the jth element by 1.
Here we forgot the increment of I. So now we are increment the ith element by 1.
Here we come out from the while loop. Result plus is equal to left of a ith element. Basically specify that if any elements are remaining in the left array from a array element to the last indices, so that should get appended into resultant array. Similarly for the right array, so should be a j at a last element. Now ultimately we return the result array. Now we need to write the definition for the merge sort. So this takes into an input list.
And then what we say is if the length of a list is less than or equal to 1, so this means basically the list is already sorted. So here we return the list.
If this is not in the case, so we create the mid element, which is basically the length of a list is divided by 2.
Then left array is basically merge sorted applied over the list from the starting index, that means the 2 columns, and till until the mid index. Then also we create the right element. So right element is also merge sorted. Then we create the list that is from the last index until the mid index.
Finally we return the merge sort over the right and the left. So good, I guess we are almost done.
Last thing that remain is we create an array assigned to element it and then we sort. So let's array is equal to 1 0 minus 1 6 9 8 3 5 4 and 2. Now we say the print merge sort passing the array. Now we have to save this file, so go to the file menu, then save, and here we write the file name merge sort and save it. Now run this program, and here we see the array are sorted at -1 0 1 2, and here we see the unsorted array. Thank you for watching this video.